Hello everyone, welcome to the project governance video part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I really recommend you to go there because I explain also what project governance is. In here, this is a continuation of the video. In the previous video, I actually explained how to do this project governance in the SaaS instance, and the last we stopped, it was that we don't have any issues in our project because we added this last missing test. Now I want to run the same thing in the manual configuration. I actually will just remove the test that we added before, and I want to show you how we can run a manual file here. I created this governance YAML file, and I have in here exactly the rules that I want to add to this governance YAML file. Those are the exactly same rules as I did in the instance, but now in a YAML file. So this I can add to my Git and then be version controlled, for example. I am again disabling 4 insights, so 4 checks on the sources, and keeping the model names, the default ones, exactly as before. I'm selecting here manual and then exactly this file, governance YAML file, and starting scan. This would be doing exactly the same as in the instance, but now using this file. So it's also compiling and creating the manifest, and it's failing in the exactly same place because I removed the primary key test. But another way and another advantage of doing this in a file is that you can also do the same check in a terminal. So if I go here, I have a new terminal. I can, for example, compile my DBT myself. This is generating the manifest YAML file. I'm generating the docs now, so the catalog. And the same lines of command I can do in, for example, a GitHub Actions or in a GitLab CI/CD. And I can see what I can do in this command, DataPilot DBT project health. This help command is only for us to see the options that this command has. But if you need, you can also go to the real documentation. And you can see here there's project health documentation in the DataPilot. So this is exactly what I was doing there. DBT compile, DBT docs generate, and then DataPilot DBT project health. Now this is the exactly command you could run, for example, in a GitHub. I'll just run in my terminal now. And what I'm doing here, I'm selecting the manifest, what it is, normally in the target, selecting the catalog, also normally in the target, and selecting my configuration, which is called governance YAML. This is now running the exactly same checks that we ran in the actions, but now in the terminal. Is keeping the 4 tests, the checks that I said to skip in here, so I disabled, and giving the same error in here. Now, how to create this YAML file here? Actually, again, we can go to the DataPilot, and we can see all the insights in here, in the docs, and we see also with the name of the insights and what this is doing, and we can see in advanced usage an example of this YAML file. So you can copy and then adjust it as you want, exactly as I did. And that's all I want to share with you today. Hopefully this helps you, and you can see this is very fast to do, so you can actually do this in your CI/CD pipelines. And see you in the next video.